Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the language on your Samsung Galaxy tablet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your tablet. Scroll down the settings and open General Management. In General Management, select Language. Tap Add Language. Now tap on the language that you would like to change to. You will now get the option to set that language as your default language. Tap Set as Default. Your tablet will now change into the language that you chose. The first language in the list will be your default language, but if you download an app that doesn't support that language, then that app will use your second language. You can tap on your secondary language and tap Apply to make it your default language again. You can also add more languages if you like. To remove one of your languages, tap Edit in the top right, and then select the language that you would like to remove, and tap Remove at the bottom. You can also use the arrows here to drag the languages to different positions and change your primary language that way. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Tab tips and tricks.